Hey guys, this is Matt from Creative. Today we're here at TMC at 181 East Houston Street. Today I'm here with...
Natalie.
You sure that's your name?
Don't introduce me like that. You put me on the spot. You could be like, I'm with Natalie, and just be like, and I'm just gonna throw my pose in. Everyone be like, what up? I don't know.
This is Natalie. Alright, today, I know you're sick of that. Today, we are here with a Boy Smells candle. This is one of my favorite lines. I've had like a ton of different candles. What kind of candles have you had in the past?
None of the Boy Smells ones yet. I haven't bought any of them. No, not yet.
This is an exciting one. This is one of the first times I've had this. Alright, move your head, because you know it's...
Oh yeah, I forgot, sorry.
It's a crappy camera. Alright, this is the, how do you pronounce it? Hinoki Fantome. And if you've ever smelled a candle from a brand called Diptyque, people say that this smells like one of them. I think they call it the fig, but I'm not sure. This is one of my favorites.
I love fig scents. Like we have the fig Bordeaux and we have some other fig scent, and I love them.
wouldn't say it's fig. I don't know what this is. But I want
it's my first time smelling it. I'm so excited.
This. Maybe I've hyped it up too much.
This is a new candle. I haven't smelled it yet just for this video because I wanted to have like my first fresh reaction. So, let's see. This is your favorite? This is the one that you're recommending to everybody?
Yeah.
It's not bad. That's my reaction to everything.
It's thick. It's thick. It's like
that is my reaction
scent.
to every single thing we review. I'm like, it's not bad.
Do you have an opinion?
It smells like a dusty house.
God, isn't that so good?
Imagine like, no, this smells like my childhood home, but like after I moved out and like broke into it when nobody lived in it like for 5 years.
You want to tell a story?
It's not like that crazy of a story. Just like when I was in high school, I was just like, I miss my childhood home. Like I want to go visit it, see what it looks like, whatever, because nobody lived there. And then I went there, and that's what it smelled like. I don't know, just like old paint and just old dust. It's not necessarily a bad smell, but it doesn't really have much of a smell to it. It's not like it's fruity or sweet or smoky. It doesn't really have any. I don't personally.
For me, this smells like a very high-end hotels, like what's that waiting? Not the waiting room.
It smells like my grandparents' basement.
No,
it smells like cement.
Well,
it smells like cement.
Maybe we associate things in a different way, because I've smelled stuff like this in very high-end hotels.
Oh well,
you've
just been
smelled it in maybe you like smell.
No, but like I don't know. The fancy hotels I've been in just.
But don't they have like kind of like a thick, rich scent? Like this isn't like a fruity scent. I don't know.
I think that's maybe the reason why you associate it with hotels is because it doesn't have a particular scent. Like it's not fruity or anything.
I don't know
it's
how
just
to
like
describe
it just
this.
smells like air. It smells like a place, but not really what kind of place. I don't know.
What does fig smell like? Does it smell like
It doesn't
fig?
smell like that's not a fig smell. I'm gonna bring you over the fig thing.
She's done. She's left.
Stop fronting on me. Right, this is the.
This smells so good.
This is the fig scent. I like this one.
Yeah, that's fig.
It's a little bit
smells
sweeter.
like a fruit. I like that one. Different scent though.
See, is it gonna focus? We're trying. I'm too close. I'll let Matt handle it. Right back.
There we go.
This big one is good too. This is the one that I really want to buy. This one reminds me of someone. I don't know who.
Mr. Fig. Yeah, I don't know how to. Oh wait, it has explanation on here. All right, so the Hinoki Fantome. It's resin, hinoki, cardamom, jasmine, moss, and how do you G-U-I-A-C.
I've never seen that word in my life.
Maybe it's a made-up
I think
word.
that's the other language of everything that it has there.
I hate you. You're right, it's just that. So it's resin, hinoki, cardamom, jasmine, moss, and guac. Whatever. I like this. What's this?
This is the fig scent. It's good.
It's light.
Okay, that smells more like a perfume right now though because it's close, but it's very like, I don't know, just like sweet. It's like a jam sandwich. I love it.
So, all right, you've been rating things from 1 to 10. What is it? 1 to 10? 0 to 10?
Okay, this one.
What is this on your scale of?
Oh my God! Wait, it gave me one good memory just now, and that might make it boost a couple points. So
now it's
out of all the dusty places that it reminds me of, I had this like cabin upstate, and when we would rent the same one every year, and one year when we rented it, like we found this Ouija board in the basement, and like it also like had this cool like pool table and stuff, and we like took out the Ouija board, and it was just like I don't know, I guess it smelled like this. It was covered in dust, and still like an old person's house. And then my dad like threw it out, whatever. It's like, it doesn't matter, it's a stupid story. But the point was, this reminded me of the Ouija board and that cabin. And now I kind of want it.
Did something happen?
No, nothing happened. It was just funny because like my dad's not really.
You can't just find an old Ouija board and then nothing happened.
No, nothing happened because like my mom's really skeptical of them, and she was like freaking out. She's like, no, like we're not doing that, y'all, whatever. And then my dad's like not a funny person and doesn't usually make jokes, but he said, he's like, am I allowed to curse on your channel?
No.
Okay. Well, he said,
make another word.
I'm gonna blank on it.
What? What?
He's like, I'm gonna blank on this Ouija board. It made no sense because he doesn't say like crude or like funny things like that. And we were just like, what? And I just have the funniest memory because of that. I'm just like, one of the few times my dad like cursed and was funny. I don't know. But
so
yeah, screw that Ouija board.
What is this?
Screw that out.
What is this one?
It smells like the dusty cabin. Oh, this is a with
0 to 10, 1 to 10, whatever.
Without the memory, it's a 6. With the memory, it's a 7.5.
Most douchey number I've ever heard.
Why is it a douchey number? How can you say douchey but I can't say the other word?
Douchey is not a curse word.
Okay, well neither
anyway, if you say a curse word, we get demonetized and then we don't make money off it.
You know what? A lot of people do a lot of things that don't get demonetized. You just gotta play around, see what happens.
I like this smell. I would give it. I have a lot of favorite candles. Honestly, I would give this an 8 or a 9. On my scale of just thinking about what I smelled in certain places, high-end places. Again, I can't describe what this is. As compared to our other
candles, you really like love
Yeah,
that?
like my other favorite one is charcoal, and that smells like a campfire.
You're not a fan of the tobacco blossom?
No, because it smells too much like tobacco, and I get that tobacco smell a lot because I'm from Virginia. I'm like, I don't need any more of it now here in New York.
I love it.
Maybe because you haven't had tobacco, like
it's just because it reminds me of the casino I told you.
Yeah.
I like scents because they remind me of things.
Your fancy casino that you always go to.
It's not fancy, and I don't always go to it. I went to it one time, and it was the Hard Rock Casino in Vegas, but they just like smoked so many cigars in there and stuff, and it just had that same smell, and it just brings me back.
All right. Well,
long candle review.
Next time, what do you want to review? Another candle? Maybe another drink?
We should do the
Maybe
Urban Apothecary. Oh, we should do, I really want to do a lotion, some type of skincare something. Something we can actually like feel and like tell you about the texture and stuff like that.
Okay, let's do that. All right, guys. So this has been Matt. We've been Matt and Natalie.
Are you going to make me link myself again?
Of course. All right, we've been taking a look at a Boy Smells candle, the Hinoki Fantome, my favorite, and your average candle.
Okay, that's not bad.
You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com, and you can find you.
If you want to find me,
what's your home address?
You would check the other video and look for the end of it where my username is because I'm too lazy. Even though I probably said so many more words. It's okay.
It's Natalie Murn.
If you can spell it.
I think it was M-U-R-N.
Now people are going to be like Googling me. You got to stop putting me out there, Matt.
She doesn't have a name. That's not her real name.
No, it's not.
It's Chelsea.
It's actually Jessica.
Really? No. Oh, wow. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Peace out.
See you next time.
Bye.